Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I reviewed the November BOXYCHARM base box. I actually had two different varieties of the BOXYCHARM base box this month, so I figured that's a great way for you guys to see the different SKUs? Is that the right word? What am I trying to say? Anyway, you get it. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so these are both of my November base boxes. Let's start out with the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I actually already washed my face before I came on here, but I am gonna smell this for you guys and we'll see what the texture is. It has a very subtle scent to it. It looks like a pretty average cleanser. I mean, just from having it on my hand right here, it already feels calming. I'm sure that's from the goat milk, but it says that this is a gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Its enhanced non-foamy creamy formula removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisturizer. And this is $40, which actually I don't think is too bad for a really good face cleanser. And it seems like this will last you a while since you only need a little bit. I mean, Kate Somerville's products are amazing. I have a lot of her like masks. Her masks are really good, but I haven't tried any cleansers yet. Next up is the Glowasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisturizer Milk Toner. This is really cool. It just looks like a glass of milk. When it comes to toners, instead of using like a cotton round to apply it, I've just been applying them in my hand. Oh, it just went all over my table. I've been loving applying them with my hands and just slathering them on and letting them soak in. This toner meets moisturizer features a blend of apricot kernel oil. Apricot kernel oil? That's interesting. Soy extract and Cica extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. It's the perfect energy boost to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. It's a pH balancing vegan toner that improves skin texture and tone. It also helps remove any traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. And this is $34, which I think is a good price. I mean, you only really need a little bit, and it does feel very calming. And it almost gave me like a glassy skin look, don't you think? The rest of the products here are makeup related, so I'm just gonna do my base foundation real quick and we'll be back. All right, now let's try out this Lip and Cheek Cream Palette by Primrose and Cream. This is what the palette looks like. Not a huge fan of cream blushes, but these look like they would make really good lip shades as well. Here are the swatches. The top one's a little messy. I'm gonna take that middle shade. Just go into the apples of my cheeks. I already used a powder to set my foundation, but this is actually applying really nicely over top of the powder. It looks really natural. Yeah, I like that. I'm just gonna set it with some powder. Just some excess powder that was left on my brush. For the cheek palette, it says that it's infused with luscious plant oils. It's also made with Gold of Pleasure. I've never heard of that. It's powered by Primrose, Cowslip Primrose, and Cabbage Rose extracts. This is $42, which is a little pricey. I mean, if you like cream blushes, let me know if that's really pricey. It looks like it has a lot of natural ingredients in there, so maybe that makes it worth it. I don't know. You guys let me know. Next up, we have a lip balm and a lip oil. So this is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. It looks like it has some color to it. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. Like pomegranate? I can't tell. I like this color. It's very natural. It definitely is a really thick balm. Like it feels very thick on the lips. It says that it's formulated with rich emollients such as castor bean oil and honey to repair, hydrate, and provide a beautiful tint. And this is $23, which I think is a really good price for a lip balm. There's a lot in here and you really only needed a little bit. Next up we have Trust Fund Beauty. This is the Better Than Therapy lip oil. Ooh, this is really fun. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's a clear gloss and it has gold sparkles in there. It almost reminds me of like Beauty and the Beast, but like the flowers in. You know what? Let me see if I can swatch it on my arm and see if you guys can see it. No, you literally cannot see it on my hand. And also, I bit the crap out of my lip. I was so stressed out the other day. So ignore that. Yeah, I mean, you literally can't see the gold sparkles at all, but it does feel very moisturizing. It's infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. Nice rhyme. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. You can either use it alone or it's the perfect topper for lipsticks and lip liner when you want that ultra juicy look. Which is very true. I like that look of just like a lip liner and a gloss. So I'll probably really like this, except for when I obviously bite the crap out of my lips and need a little bit of a tint to cover that up. This guy is $18, which is a little pricey for a lip gloss, but with vitamin E in it, there's nothing more nourishing than that. So if you have really dry lips, maybe. Next up, we have the Blink Ultra Volume Tube Mascara, or tubing mascara. I don't typically like tubing mascaras. Anything with like tubing or fibers just wind up irritating my eyes. This is what the wand looks like. So I'm gonna try this without any eyeshadow on so that you can really see it. It definitely works. I mean, I haven't used a tubing mascara in a long time, so maybe they've come a long way, but this does seem like it would be great for like a no makeup day. Okay, so it says that this is a clean vegan formula that gives you an ultra long wearing buildable false lash effect with a semi-matte finish. It says that the eye brush is eye shaped with dynamic spacing and ultra soft fibers to give you dramatic volume and length. And it's $26, which, I mean, it's a little expensive for a mascara, but it works really well. So if you're a big mascara lover, you'd probably like this. And I do like that it's a clean formula. That would probably be less irritating to the eyes. And like I said, the last time I've used a tubing mascara was like literally like 8 years ago, but I remember it being a nightmare. I'll definitely have to do a wear test with this mascara to see if I have that same issue with it. Next up is the Ace Beauty Amplifying Eye Base. So this is like an eyeshadow primer. It's like a pretty standard eyeshadow primer. Since I have mascara on, I'm just gonna lightly apply this guy. It says that this guy is $14.99, which I think is a really great price for an eyeshadow primer. And now we're going into the palette. So this is the Violet Voss Violet Sunset palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Blush, which is one of those pink shades, and I'm gonna take this into my crease, but I think I'm gonna do kind of all over the eye. Since I have mascara on, I'm gonna try to go for more of a lighter look. Taking that same shade underneath the eye. I'm gonna take the shade Amber Sky, which is the brown in the palette, and I'm just gonna go in the crease here very subtly. Now I'm gonna take the shade Peach and I'm gonna put this on eyelid. Oh, this is such a beautiful champagne shade. I'm also gonna add that same shade to the inner corner. Oh, this palette is so beautiful. I'm gonna take that shade Dusk, which is the dark brown in the palette, and create a little bit of a wing, like a smoky winged look. Oop, I'm noticing a little bit of fallout here, which is funny because the other shades didn't really have any. But let's see if this just wipes away. Okay, it didn't wipe away that nicely, but I think I can disguise that with some powder, so we should be fine. Okay, so since we used that tube mascara, I kind of want to roll with that instead of putting on fake lashes, so I'm gonna curl these, and then I'm gonna try to put on another layer just to see how that looks. By the way, this curler is by Ico London. I mean, that already did a lot right there, but let's see. Ooh, I love this, especially if you're somebody who likes that chunky look. A lot of people don't, but I do. But yeah, this is where the situation gets a little dicey because I could feel it shedding a little bit, which, I mean, they're not telling you to curl your lashes and put multiple coats of this on, but coats of this mascara on, but I feel like most people would do that, or at least if they're like me. But I mean, this mascara did look great on its own, so you really don't need multiple layers, but looks really good. I just put on my favorite lipstick by Huda Beauty. This is Girls Trip, and I'm gonna top it with that gloss. Yeah, I really like that. So this is the finished look, guys. I just added a brown liner to my waterline just to complete the look. But yeah, let me know what you think of the products in this month's in this month's BOXYCHARM box. Also, let me know if you guys got your box in already, and let me know if Premium is worth it, the BOXYCHARM Premium. I'm thinking of getting it. I definitely love the eyeshadow palette. I'm a huge fan of like goldeny, neutrally eyeshadows, so that's perfect for me. I mean, I love it. I wouldn't say that there's like much variation, like if you wanted to do like a crazy colorful eye. The only other choice you have really is purple, but all the eyeshadows really performed well. The only eyeshadow in there that I had fallout on was the shade Dusk. That was the dark brown, and it wiped away pretty nicely. I don't even think, you can see it a little bit on here, but it's fine. I'll need to continue using this mascara, but I do really think that this is a great one for a no makeup look. Just don't try to go too crazy with layering it. Like I said, it does get a little flaky. I liked how the lip oil had vitamin E in it. I'll definitely be using that. And I did like this lip balm. This was the one that I originally used. I like the color of this. It looks like it would be a darker color, but it's actually like more of a nude once it's actually on your lips. So it's just like a subtle hint of color. It's a kiss of color. The lip and cheek cream, I don't know if I'll continue using this. Like I said, I really don't use cream blushes. They're just not my thing, but it did apply really nicely and it looks really natural. I think the thing that I'm most excited to use are these two guys. So this cleanser, like I said, I keep saying like I said, but this cleanser I haven't used yet. I'm excited to use it. I think, wait, does this have goat milk too? Yeah, what's up with like the milk thing? So goat milk and then moisture milk toner. There's a theme going on. But I really loved this toner. I feel like my makeup went on really nicely. My face just feels, I don't want to say just moisturized, but it feels like plumper. I don't know. I mean, it didn't say that it was supposed to do that, but I just feel like it toned my skin. My skin looked really great after. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these products in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.